What's up guys, it's Jazz and welcome to the Neurodivergent Dog Trainer. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the December BarkBox. Now this one is themed around that Rudolph Christmas movie that Lifetime or ABC Family, whatever it's called now, used to play all the time. And I grew up watching this, and so opening this, I had to delete the audio, but I was just like trying to figure out if I was even gonna give these toys to the puppies or keep them for myself, because this was one of my favorite movies growing up. Here we also got a couple chews. We got chicken and pork, and then we got some more treats. Treats is the word for that. So we've got some jerky and some more jerky and even more jerky, which is awesome because we actually really like the jerky. It's really easy to split it in half and give it to the puppies whenever we put them in their crates. And then we just go over, apparently I got a referral code that's just kind of generic. You get time off of your box. But now we're going to switch over and let the puppies play with it. So enjoy.